what's going on out there. For real. I'm really out here. Okay, shout out. Hope everybody's doing all right. I see one person, YouTube employee maybe. If not, hey, even if you are a YouTube employee, shout out to you, right? Okay? It's a live public stream. I'm outdoors. Okay? Local Arizona decodes A to Z. Think about A's the first letter, Z's the 26th. All right. Now I'm going to report this article here and show some just interesting connections, patterns. I appreciate two people. Look, you see the comments right here? Look at this. So A to Z decodes, but look what's coming up later tonight. All right. Kanye and Kyrie. All right. Do you want to subscribe over there at I1? And that's the link right there. Let me share this real quick. You see right here? There it is. So that's upcoming. And you see the link, Kanye and Kyrie. Interesting. Oh, you know what? I don't know why. Oh, yeah. We're right. Yeah, I1 right here. You see? It's going to be over there. Now we're streaming on 3 channels, but it's going to remain over there. Why don't, if you just go ahead and, if you want, click that link and join later. And the time may vary. I'll try to keep it updated. But it's surface level decodes over there. All right. And as you can see by the thumbnail, it's all about surface level. So, you know, if you want to like it, maybe subscribe. I mean, I'm not doing it for money. I'm not a deceiver. I'm a small channel. If you're interested in content like this, go ahead and like and subscribe, okay? And it's like I don't need to say that, but magic algorithm. You know what I'm saying? Whatever it takes. So let's go back. So let's go back over here now. All right. Appreciate a consistent 2 people. Maybe let's build it up to 5, maybe. Arizona Health Department relaunches COVID vaccine program amid case increase. We do know there's a 24 election coming up. We do know this hit last time there was an election as well, right? And, you know, since then they may bring it up occasionally, but here we go, right? And I want to make sure, because we never know who's watching. Sometimes people, they do want you, they would like, oh, let me watch this guy fail, right? Here, let's do this. Okay, so we're going to go right, we'll put that up right there. That's cool. So yeah, that's my verification. I'm being heard. So we want to go down in history, not because we get off on this stuff, but we see the patterns and we just got to share it. So there's been a 37% increase since last month with more than 57,000 cases. All right, Arizona Health Department relaunches COVID vaccine program amid case increase. Look at this. Okay? Navajo National Health officials recommend wearing masks indoors as well, or as cases increase nationwide. Now, right out of our article here, look at case and mask in the code equal 28. Okay, that's forwards. And then you just get reverse reduction, which is just reduced at the 10th letter, which would be Q. Okay, it's simple. And you add the 2 digits together and reduce it. It's already a code. All right. I just want to share it with you. Like I said, look at mask and case 28. Look how COVID in that reverse reduction cipher equals 28. Same cipher, health department 82. Look how you get 82 with COVID. That's 28 just reversed, which is, it has to, you would at least say that's interesting, I would think. And look at COVID's got 26. Health department's got that 26, but it's 262, but that's, you got to at least say that's interesting. Let's play this clip. And it's July 31st. Okay? Man, time is just flying now, isn't it? We're on Wednesday already. All right, let's play this. Let's play this clip.
Right now is 5:40, and here's a topic many of us would like to forget, but it keeps coming back up. Health officials are once again monitoring COVID-19 cases.
So hold on. So it's ABC 15 again. All right, and we know Arizona equals 105 like 15. It keeps landing over and over. And the Texas Rangers beat the D-backs in the World Series, and Texas equals 15.
Right now is 5:40, and here's a topic many of us would like to forget, but it keeps coming back up. Health officials are once again monitoring COVID-19 cases as more and more people are getting sick.
Yeah, we are hearing about more cases. ABC 15's Jordan Bonke is live in Gilbert for us this morning, where a mobile vaccine unit is going to be in place today. Jordan.
Hey, good morning to you guys. I do not remember the last time we actually put a reporter on a story regarding COVID. In fact, before all this, when talking with the producers, they asked me, do you even have a mask on you? And I thought, I really don't, not even in my bag. But there has been such a rise in cases just here in this past summer that some of the officials, the public, the community is responding by adding some of these resources that we've had in the past. So the Department of Health Services for the state, they're relaunching a COVID vaccine program. That starts this morning. It's only for 1 hour from 10 to 11 right off Higley at a care home on Vaughn Avenue. The State Department of Health is also testing, while testing in cases aren't as high as they have been in years past, and we know that we have covered that ad nauseum, there has been a 37% increase since last month, and there's been more than 57,000 cases statewide.
Right now is 5:40, and here's a topic many of us would like to forget, but it keeps coming back up. Health officials are once again monitoring COVID-19 cases as more and more people are getting sick.
Yeah, we are hearing about more cases. ABC 15's Jordan Bonke.
All right. Cool. All right, so I didn't mean to loop it like that. My bad. Shout out to y'all, consistent too. And it doesn't matter who you are, like I said. Okay? And everything goes downhill because, Biden continues to recover. Whoa, where did that go? Damn, that just completely disappeared. Okay, let's pull it up again. Did you see that? That just completely disappeared. So maybe it was me. I don't know. Biden continues to recover from COVID-19, stays out of public view. Okay, so what do you all do? So what's Biden doing? Why are you out of the public view? After ending and why are they showing? So is that supposed to be Biden or what? Oh, he's hidden in the car. Ooh, that's a shady situation, wouldn't you say? But Biden and Kamala's husband as well, right? Kamala tested negative. So everything goes downhill. And remember, 19 equals chaos in the code. Okay? And it's A to Z decodes. So look, check this out. For real. Mask equals 44 and 8. Ordinal and reduction, that's like 48. Arizona's the 48th state, if y'all didn't know. Arizona decodes. Okay? We expect these stories to hit. And I'm a real person. A lot of us are real. We have to deal with these situations. I'm wondering, there seems to be some, what's up with this language we were born into, and then later on in life, we figure out we're deceived. I mean, that's a problem. You know what I'm saying? Okay, it's not something like, not me. I'm not just going to sweep under the rug. Obviously, this is what I'm doing here. You understand? But look, case increase equals 48. Mask 44 and 8 like 48. With the 48 state. I mean, that's understandable. Arizona equals 84. Okay? It's just 4 ciphers. I mean, it's obvious this is a code. Okay? I mean, how many of us were not born like, hey, oh, I have these instincts to pick up deception. Maybe that's the case, but you're born innocent, right? So that's a problem, I mean, these half truths got to go, and the deception continues. But I'm older. I was born in 1981, so we should not. We don't need any more separation. We don't need any more extra groups. Maybe what I say can resonate with older generations, younger generations, just a little bit, right? Look at this. I mean, it's a basic article, and I'm just reporting it again. Okay, look. So there has been a 37% increase, and that just hit with one of the last Arizona A to Z decodes we did. The Arizona Wildcats, 37 days to the opener. Okay, and what was up with that? And it broke down really easy, the 12th prime 37. And here we go, August equals 37. This aims to fill the gap for uninsured and underinsured due to the CDC bridge access program ending in August. Okay? Vaccine program equals 73. August equals 37 and 73. Okay? One program event will take place from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. on Tuesday. Look at the date. Now, that was yesterday. Okay? Look, 7/30, like 73. Or the 30th day of the 7th month, like 37. Okay? That's really undeniable, wouldn't you say? Look, this is all it is right here, y'all. Okay? The Gematrinator Calculator 85 right here. 4 words with the alphabet. It is simple. Look. Reverse. You see Z is 1, A is 26, because that's in reverse. There's 26 letters in the alphabet. Reduction. You reduce it at J, which is the 10th letter, and you just reduce it all to single digits. Reverse reduction. That's it. The alphabet in reverse. Q is number 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. P, 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. O, 12. Right here. 1 plus 2 is 3. That's it, y'all, with the language, okay? I use this to help show these patterns, thus help me show y'all this is undeniable, these connections. And we usually use. So a lot of people call it gematria, right? Whatever it's called, I could care less what it's called. But what is gematria?
Here's the definition of gematria: a Kabbalistic method of interpreting the Hebrew scriptures by computing the numerical value of words based on those of their constituent letters.
Oh, you might not be able to hear that. It told me to refresh or something. Okay? A Kabbalistic method of interpreting the Hebrew script, like fake world, right? By computing the numerical value of words based on those of their constituent letters. Yeah. So you see that right there? That's what that says. Okay? So I'm utilizing that and showing you. Okay? Look, the article. Navajo National Health officials recommend wearing masks indoors as cases increase nationwide. Look at that. Navajo National Health equals 337, like 37. 4:47 a.m. here in Mesa, Arizona. Shout out to y'all, right? Still dark. Okay, and don't forget the 73s and the date, 37% increase. Bridge access program ending in August. Okay. You see, Arizona Department of Health Services is relaunching a COVID vaccine program amid an increase in cases. So, look, I don't mean no harm, do I? So, when y'all are watching this, hey, it is what it is, right? I'm just, don't get upset at me. I don't sync up with this practice. I'm not supposedly not the right religion, right? But you see this right here? Okay. The state health department measures show that while testing and cases aren't as high as they were in years past, there has been a 37% increase since last month with more than 57,000 cases statewide. Okay. And the health department also relaunched the mobile COVID vaccination program, bringing anyone who wants a vaccine that accessibility. You can schedule a mobile clinic, okay, and they give you this info, right? Look, so we mentioned 37 with the Arizona Wildcats, the football team in Tucson, right? We mentioned that article, and if you just scroll back a couple of decodes on A to Z decodes, you'll see it. Okay? And 37 days is what they said, and it broke down to the 12th prime number, and we connected that over there. Because aren't they in like the Big 12 or whatever it is? Something like that. But look, case increase, and it's right there in the title again. 102 like 12. Okay? And we could probably go further with that, but wow, this is big. That's huge right there. Okay? Right? Relaunches COVID vaccine program. Vaccine equals 57. Okay? And it says since last month with more than 57,000 cases statewide. So what's up with that? I mean, are we led to believe that this is just some kind of system where it just pumps out the article by numbers? Now, excuse me. Excuse me for knowing that vaccine equals 57. 4 ciphers. You see the code landing. You just saw the 37s and 73s hit. Massive, correct? Now you see vaccine equals 57 forwards. The code. And then why does it say 57,000 like 57? 5 plus 7 is 12. The 12th prime number is 37. Okay? Do you see that? Wow. Okay, can we get 20 views on the video? Okay? Oh yeah, the live. Check the live section. Let's play undeniable. Let's play the second clip here.
The health department has also relaunched the mobile COVID vaccination program, and that's bringing anybody who wants a vaccine that accessibility. And this aims to fill the gap for those who are uninsured or underinsured as a result of the CDC Bridge Access Program that's slated to end this month. Now, on the reservation, the Navajo National Health officials recommend wearing masks indoors as cases are increasing nationwide. And Tribe Health Department says that hospitalization and deaths remain low, but they urge residents to stay up to date on their vaccines and practice good hygiene. For all these resources, the mobile health clinic specifically, because that program that has some of the funding, there's 4 vendors that are part of that. You could go to our website at abc15.com. This is something that you personally want to utilize. But remember, when COVID had come into our lives, we knew that part of the guidance was it's not going away. It's just something that we have to live with. Reporting in Gilbert this morning, Jordan Bonnke, ABC 15, Arizona.
It's a reminder that we really need to take advantage of those resources if you want to. They are still out there. They are still available. Yes, Jordan, it is still, unfortunately, a conversation.
Wow. Thank you for that advice, sir. Now, so YouTube. I mean, I understand YouTube. You didn't like that I played free downloaded music or something, right? For some reason. I don't know, like maybe it helped the video or something. You know what I'm saying? Okay, we get 2 people, 5 people in here. You know what I'm saying? It's not that early, is it? Who isn't looking at their phone, possibly on YouTube? But it's about 5 a.m. here in Arizona. And wow, with that guy's comments. And remember the Kyrie Irving, Kanye West decode right over there. The link will be tonight. Don't forget that. No numbers, surface level decodes. I is for interesting. I won. Okay? So let's go forward here. Can we get 3 people? All right. I mean, wow. So look at the number here. Look. One program event will take place from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and the date even connected, right? Hey, what's up, Richard? Glad you're here. Magic algorithm. Another A to Z decode. I'm glad you're here, man. I had to put some magic out there to get, okay, now 4 people. Let's get up to 7. And y'all may be on daily decodes. This is A to Z. Hey, Richard, it's dropping tonight. Not sure if you heard me. Over on I1, Kanye and Kyrie. Here, let's show. Now that we got 3, 4 people, let's show again. Y'all do want to catch that. Surface level decode right over there. You see? Kanye and Kyrie, interesting comparisons, right? And as you can see, very interesting. I is for interesting. I won. So that'll be tonight. It's already scheduled. But the link's there if y'all need help, okay? Look at the phone number. Again, it's the 48th state. Okay? Right? Arizona. So you get the 480 dialing code, right? Look at 577. Oh, it's magic. Okay? You get the 5-7 like vaccine. 57,000 cases statewide. Trending. Okay? This will remain on A to Z decodes. Look at the 067. Look at, oh man. Look at the 0667 after the 57 lands right there. Okay, it looks like, okay, we're getting brighter out here. Look at this. 0667 is like 67. 67 is the 19th prime number. Look at what it says over there on the left, man. Remember, Kobe died right after this hit in 2020. All right? I mean, you got to be, it says it right here in the article, though. Look, 0667 is 67's the 19th prime. What, 4 or 5 decodes in a row? The 119's been landing. Sounds repetitive. Okay? So that whole number lands Uh, a Hadi care home located at 3459 Vaughn Avenue. I didn't even go and enter the address there. Okay, I think we're good on that. But the state health department measures show that while testing and cases aren't as high as they were in years past, and remember, Joe Biden equals 37. Even he got it. And look, 37 increase. We already connected all of that, right? Look, I mean, you got to be kidding me. We just did this. Was this just into the early AM? And you get bridges. You see? CDC Bridge Access Program. And we just had Jeff Bridges, White Dudes for Harris, the trending story over on Daily Decodes 81. A Hadi care home, 64 and 71. Bridges, 64. Remember Kamala, born in 64. Michelle Obama as well. Joe Biden equals 64. Born in Pennsylvania, 64. Trump shot in Pennsylvania. Kamala Devi Harris, Health Department, 71, just like a Hadi care home. I mean, Biden, the 46th president. God damn. See, I mean, you got to be kidding me. How do they hit us with the bridge again? Remember? Bridge collapse. Francis Scott Key Bridge. San Francisco connected with Kamala Harris, district attorney, or whatever the hell she was, right? 49ers in the Super Bowl. Kamala Harris equals 49. 49th VP. I'm white. I'm the dude, and I'm for Harris. Did I erase the clip? I think I did. The Big Lebowski synced up with the Big Valboski or whatever. Val Venus. That movie released on Val Venus's birthday. And Val Venus looks just like him. What the fuck is going on? Even Kamala Harris equals 212. One program event will take place 10 to 11 a.m. Tuesday, 7:30, the 212th day of the year. You got to be kidding me.
Right now, it's 5:40, and here's a topic many of us would like to forget, but it keeps coming back up. Health officials are once again monitoring COVID-19 cases as more and more people are getting sick.
Yeah, we are hearing about more cases. ABC 15's Jordan Bonke is live in Gilbert for us this morning, where a mobile vaccine unit is going to be in place today. Jordan.
Hey, good morning to you guys. I do not remember the last time we actually put a reporter on a story regarding COVID. In fact, before all this, when talking with the producers, they asked me, do you even have a mask on you? And I thought, I really don't, not even in my bag. But there has been such a rise in cases just here in this past summer that some of the officials, the public, the community is responding by adding some of these resources that we've had in the past. So the Department of Health Services for the state, they're relaunching a COVID vaccine program. That starts this morning. It's only for 1 hour from 10 to 11 right off Higley at a care home on Vaughn Avenue. The State Department of Health is also testing, they say while testing in cases aren't as high as they have been in years past, and we know that we have covered that ad nauseum, there has been a 37% increase since last month, and there's been more than 57,000 cases statewide.
I mean, and look over here. Look who the second pick was in the NBA draft. Alexander Sarr. You see that? And look, by the Wizards. Hey, and let's remember the Olympics in Paris. Like Harris. Okay, like, look, Sarr, the second pick in the draft out of France. Rudy Gobert out of France. The draft was on his birthday. Remember, he touched all the mics and the league got shut down? Look at the Wizards right there. Like magic. You see what I'm saying? But look, SARS virus. What is it?
According to World Health Organization, severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS is a viral respiratory disease caused by SARS-associated coronavirus.
I mean,
It was first identified at the end of February 2003 during an outbreak that emerged in China and spread to 4 other countries.
you even get that 2003, and I think Washington Wizards, one of them equals 203 or 230, something like that. Michael Jordan ended his career over there, 23, right? The number 23. Anyways, that's just side stuff. That's just forget I even said that. Okay, look. Okay, so that syncs up with the number 2 pick. So I mean, come on, y'all. This is probably landing locally where y'all are at. And look, who had the number 1 pick in the WNBA draft?
According to Indiana Fever, WNBA,
Fever.
1 overall pick in 2024
I mean,
WNBA
really?
draft. Indianapolis, with the number 1 overall selection in the 2024 WNBA draft, the Indiana Fever picked University of Iowa guard Caitlin Clark on Monday night.
I mean, really. I'm glad that there's a solid 5 people in here. Like, you know, I'm not even going to run that address. I mean, it's just whatever, right? And Biden hit the Senate in 1973. Okay? So as we wind down this decode, pretty undeniable, I think. All right? Even look, vaccine program equals 145. Okay? And that date we're working with leaves 154. See? Oh, look at this. Y'all would tell me if we weren't good, yeah? Oh, yeah, Richard's here. What's up, Richard? Again, look at this. Do we get a little bit of light? A little bit. But look, more. The tribal health department even says hospitalizations and deaths remain low, but urges residents to stay up to date on vaccines and practice good hygiene. Well, look, the tribal health department, 112. Who else did they mention in the article? Navajo National Health, 112. Kamala Harris, 112. Donald, 112. White dudes for Harris, 112. And remember, the Super Bowl was on 11/2, like 112. Okay? And remember, look at it backwards. 211's the 47th prime number. Trump equals 47. President, DC, White House, government, Republican, Democrat, 2 parties, agent. Did I say DC? Look, Washington Wizards, DC. You know what I'm saying? It's like, I don't know. Who knows anymore? It is. Woo. Ah.
The health department has also relaunched the mobile COVID vaccination program, and that's bringing anybody who wants a vaccine that accessibility. And this aims to fill the gap for those who are uninsured or underinsured as a result of the CDC Bridge Access Program that's slated to end this month. Now, on the reservation, the Navajo national health officials recommend wearing masks indoors as cases are increasing nationwide. And Tribe Health Department says that hospitalization and deaths remain low, but they urge residents to stay up to date on their vaccines and practice good hygiene. For all these resources, the mobile health clinic specifically, because that program that has some of the funding, there's 4 vendors that are part of that. You could go to our website at abc15.com. This is something that you personally want to utilize. But remember, when COVID had come into our lives, we knew that part of the guidance was it's not going away. It's just something that we have to live with. Reporting in Gilbert this morning, Jordan Bonnke, ABC 15, Arizona.
It's a reminder that we really need to take advantage of those resources if you want to. They are still out there. They are still available. Yes, Jordan, it is still, unfortunately, a conversation.
You may have to look at that later, Richard. So, Arizona Health Department relaunches COVID vaccine program amid case increase. All right, I'm just here. All I'm doing is reporting it and showing undeniable connections. What's going on with the news? What's going on with the trending stories? Okay. As the sun, is it the sun? Something is making it light right about now, 5:07 a.m. Arizona time. All right, so that's it. And again, you're going to watch, hopefully, you'll be there live, y'all. Kanye and Kyrie, interesting connections. And wow, I is for interesting. I won. All right, so peace, y'all. Appreciate you. Sympathy with any victims in any of these stories that I report. Okay, it's always sympathy, but it's got to be done.